In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your display resolution on your ASUS laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Windows icon down in the search menu and search for settings. Best result, should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. And then you want to select System on the left panel. And then on the right side, select Display. Scrolling down a little bit underneath Scale and Layout versus Display Resolution, adjust the resolution to fit your connected display. Click the drop down and then select your preferred one for your ASUS laptop or tablet or desktop device. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.